Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lorraine Marshall from MAKEMONEYONLINE-niches.com, and there will be a link to that website in the description box below this video. Now today I am going to explain a little bit more about affiliate marketing and what it is all about, and show you an alternative website that you can find affiliate products that you can promote via YouTube, via Instagram, or any other social media platform, Twitter or Facebook. And what I want to do is go and show you where you can find these particular products and how simple it is to actually get started in affiliate marketing. So let's have a look at where you can actually find affiliate products and get the links to promote. Okay, so we're now on a platform which is called Digistore24. Now this is Digistore24.com, and I will drop a link to the particular website in the description box below, so you can check this out for yourself. Digistore24 is a German-owned affiliate marketing platform, and basically, as you can see, the first product on here is actual physical product, which is vitamin called Metacore, and it's $150 per sale with an 85% commission. Now there's various products that you can look at within Digistore, so depending on the niche that you're in and what fits with what type of business that you're wanting to promote, then this store will probably have something that will resonate with you. For example, there's animals and pets, there's betting systems, business and investment, dance and music, email marketing, dating, love and relationships, fitness, health, family, kids, education. So if you look, the list is quite extensive, where you can check all of these different areas for products that are available that you might want to promote via your social platforms and earn various amounts of commission in doing so. So for example, the internet marketing and e-business is an area that I am interested in, and there is various products here which you can then market. And I mean, for example, this one is monetization on YouTube, and that's a course there where it's 50% commission on the front end. Earnings around €268, and that is another sort of buy to the 9 to 5. And so, you know, there's lots of different products available that you can actually promote. This one is to get paid using Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. 75% commission. It's a low value, low cost product, so your commissions are going to be lower. Click Wealth System, that's a 60% commission again, and this is a typical type of product that is on this type of platform. There are high ticket, medium ticket and low ticket affiliate products that you can actually promote for yourself and start earning commissions from providing links through your social media platforms. So this is Digistore24.com, and it's quite easy to get involved with this. You need to sign up for an account. You don't have to pay anything. When you do sign up for an account, you've got the options of to be a vendor, to be an affiliate. Now I'm not a vendor yet, but I am in the process of looking at creating courses which I can then sell as a vendor. So I'm affiliate, and what you need to do is look at affiliate partnerships, and you can be approved very quickly for various different products. As you can see, I have approvals for a few different products here, and you can then get access to lots of the promotional materials as well. So the Call of Destiny I was approved for a few weeks ago. So if you click on the view of the details, you get to see the details of this particular product and your affiliate link, which includes your affiliate name and the type of product that it is. And so that is one particular affiliate program that can be promoted. Through the marketplace, obviously, you can choose any different type of product that you want to promote. Sort of, if you're interested in social media, for example, here is a number of different products that can earn different amounts of commissions. So this is my little review of an affiliate platform that you can actually use to start to get links to affiliate products, and if they resonate with a type of niche or business that you're in, then it's an easy way to monetize your social media following, your platforms, whether that's Instagram, Twitter, or YouTube or Facebook. So I hope you like this particular video introducing you to an alternative affiliate platform where you can find affiliate products to promote. If you like these particular videos, subscribe and leave me a comment. Let me know when you've subscribed, and I'll try and get round to personally to replying to your comments. So that's all I have on this particular review, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.